क्या आपको याद है लेट 90s एंड अर्ली 2000 के एरा में जब जब भी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम का टॉप ऑर्डर लड़खड़ाया है तब तब इंडिया ने अपनी आस दो प्लेयर्स पे टिकाई है। पहले द वॉल हमारे राहुल द्रविड़ एंड दूसरे वीवीएस लक्ष्मण। हमारा ये वीडियो ना राहुल द्रविड़ के बारे में है ना ही वीवीएस के, लेकिन ये वीडियो है वीवीएस के मिलते जुलते नाम वाले वीएसएस के बारे में। वीएसएस यानी विजय शेखर शर्मा, द फाउंडर ऑफ पेटीएम। From being a small-town boy from Aligarh who bought second-hand tech magazines to become the founder of one of the most trusted technology brands in India, Vijay Shekhar Sharma has come a long way. Vijay was an exceptional student, passing his secondary education at an early age of 14. However, this would only be the start of a long journey to success for this young boy. English was never his forte, and this made him lose a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to sit for IIT entrance and other competitive examinations. Later, in college, he had to read the same book in two languages, one in Hindi and the other in English, so that he could understand the coursework. From a topper in school to a backbencher in college, Vijay passed out his engineering from Delhi College at an early age of 19. His English understanding was such that he could hardly understand what was taught in the class, and because of the same, he used to spend a lot of time in and around computers, browsing the net and daydreaming about being in Silicon Valley, the mecca for worldwide innovation. While most of the young bright engineer graduates were excited about getting placed with good companies, Vijay had built his first company. Yes, XS Communication, a college-based startup that created content management systems. By then, he had learned to code all by himself and had designed a content management system that was being used by several major publications including the Indian Express. No one to fund. While trying to set up 197, Vijay finally landed with a loan of rupees 8 lakhs, एक आम इंसान के लिए बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट उस टाइम पर। 24% इंटरेस्ट पर लिया लोन गॉट हिम इनटू अ विशियस साइकिल ऑफ अनपेएबल डेट, जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने ऐसे ऐसे काम किए जो उन्हें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं ना वो करना चाहते थे, जैसे लैंड कनेक्शन सेटअप करना, गेस्ट लेक्चर्स लेना और भी बहुत कुछ। बट ही हैड टू डू दीज जॉब्स जस्ट टू मेक एंड्स मीट। वो कहते हैं ना कि मेहनत कभी बर्बाद नहीं होती। अपने सपनों पर यकीन करो और आगे बढ़ते चलो, मंजिल अपने आप मिल जाएगी। और बस यही अपने मन में लिए विजय इंट्रोड्यूस्ड पेटीएम, a big bet. While India's telecom infrastructure was improving in 2010, Vijay's investors were not confident about the idea of a mobile-first consumer service that would cater to the masses. क्योंकि जिस देश में इंटरनेट ही इतना स्लो था, उस देश में इंटरनेट के थ्रू पेमेंट was almost impossible. पर impossible को possible किया पेटीएम और VSS ने. He personally put in 2 million at stake to finally launch the brand. The rest, as they say, is history. In January 2013, Paytm launched the Paytm Wallet, which the Indian Railways and Uber added as a payment option. It launched into e-commerce with online deals and bus ticketing and later was awarded the most innovative startup of the year. Then, in 2015, Paytm ने अपने यूज़र केस में और भी चीज़ें ऐड करी, जैसे एजुकेशन फ़ी पेमेंट, मेट्रो रिचार्जेस, गैस, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाटर बिल पेमेंट्स, etc. Paytm's registered user base grew from 11.8 million in August 2014 to 104 million in August 2015. Its travel business crossed 500 million and also received Apple Store's Best App Award from Apple India. लेकिन सबसे बड़ा ट्विस्ट आया 8th of November 2017, रात 8 बजे, जब our Prime Minister said
500 रुपए और 1000 रुपए के करेंसी नोट लीगल टेंडर नहीं रहेंगे।
फिर क्या था, अगले दिन हर न्यूज़पेपर के फ्रंट पर थे मोदी जी और पेटीएम, जिसने पूरे हिंदुस्तान को ऑनलाइन पेमेंट से वाकिफ करवाया और पेमेंट को इजी बनाया। In the same year, it also launched its Paytm Mall app, which allows customers to shop from 1.4 lakh registered sellers and is a B2C model inspired by China's largest B2C retail platform, Tmall. Paytm Mall has set up 17 fulfillment centers across India and partnered with more than 40 couriers. Paytm Mall raised 200 million from Alibaba Group and SAIF partners in March 2018. सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था, पर Paytm hit a rock, जहां in May 2018 it posted a loss of approximately 1800 crores. इसी साल मर्चेंट फ्रेंडली बनने के लिए Paytm ने Paytm, UPI और कार्ड पेमेंट्स को मर्चेंट्स के अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करने के लिए चार्जेस 0% कर दिए. This led its merchant base to grow more than 7 million by March 2018. The company even launched 2 new wealth management products, Paytm Gold Savings Plan and Gold Gifting to simplify long-term savings. मार्च 2018 में Paytm को 9 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट मिला ताकि वो इंडियंस के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट प्रोडक्ट्स अपने एप्लीकेशन पर लेकर आए. In March 2019, Paytm launched a subscription-based loyalty program called Paytm First. After that, in May 2019, Paytm partnered with Citibank to launch the Paytm First credit card, and in July 2020, Tata Starbucks partnered with Paytm, allowing its customers to order food online during the coronavirus pandemic. इंडिया के सबसे ट्रस्टेड बिजनेसमैन मिस्टर रतन टाटा ने भी Paytm में इन्वेस्ट किया है. Surprised? Paytm currently has 39 million daily active users. Looking forward to a cashless India, Vijay's dream is to bring 500 million Indians to the mainstream economy. His dream is to build India's first $100 billion firm, a company that would make the nation proud. After listening to all these interesting facts, what do you feel about Paytm and Vijay Shekhar Sharma? Comment below. If you like our video, share it with your friends and family. Like and subscribe. Till next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Keep watching Shiksha News.